Hello everyone, welcome to Full Circle Trader. So this is just a quick Q&A session that I have kept for 15-20 minutes. So if you guys have any questions regarding these stocks, that you want to play, Full Circle Trader. So this is just a quick Q&A session that I have kept. Okay, so if you have any questions, please do ask. Please take the opportunity of this Q&A session. It's my... Okay. Let me just quickly set this up. Okay. So I'm all set for your questions. I have kept it open for 15 minutes. Perhaps if you have any questions or doubts related to any of your holdings or stocks that you may have, please go ahead and ask the questions. Although we have shared the analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty yesterday for 14th of November, tomorrow. However, if you still have any doubt or concern, or if there's anything that you don't understand, please go ahead and ask the question. So this is, I'm doing it for the first time for my viewers. So please take the opportunity. Any stock that you have and you want to, if you need a clarification on it, that what should you do with that stock, please go ahead, ask the question. And I would be very happy to answer those questions. And this is just for 15 minutes that I kept it open. So please go ahead and ask it. No, I have already shared the analysis on market. So probably I'm not gonna, share the analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty one more time. This is only for the stocks. So just go ahead. And this was like ICICI Bank. I was reviewing this stock. So no, we have this. Just use the pen here. We have a breakout failure here, right? And then we have again a nice selling day. However, we are still above the moving average. The selling was on volume. This is very interesting. So perhaps if we close below this support area, we have the recent low pivot at this point. Let me just clear this up. So this is around 897.05. The pivot is around 897. So if once this low will get broken down, then we might see more downside because there is nothing strong to the left, as I have mentioned. So this was about ICICI Bank. Please post your questions. Please post your stocks if you want to know any. If you want to know about any stock here, by the time I'm just looking at few of these stocks for myself. This is Tata Motors. So prices hit the downward sloping 200 MA and big gap down on volume. And then prices are again trying to move back up again, but now we have a space to fill up. And as of now, we are not sure what exactly it is gonna do. I can see a long build-up. I mean, the long accumulation here. It's a multi-month accumulation. Prices should move to the upside. Whenever prices catch up with the rising or falling 200 MA, the reaction is, that reaction is quite strong. But we haven't thought that this kind of gap down will come. This is a good and a big gap down on Tata Motors. So probably it is going to take time. Any other questions? If you have, please go ahead. Let me just check Tata Steel. So Tata Steel is okay. So it's looking good. We have a gap down and reversal bar here, a very nice pattern, which moved the prices to the upside. We cleared the recent high here, and now we are near to this resistance area. But prices are, after this gap down, we have this 3-bar reversal pattern here. I have mentioned it a couple of times that I'm a pattern trader, so I really want good patterns on the chart. And it's a reversal. It's a 3-bar reversal pattern on volume. So probably we'll see more upside in Tata Steel. However, we need to be a little bit careful with this 200 MA. Although I have also mentioned it that these moving averages are they are just lines in the sand, so they do not act as real support or resistance. However, 200 moving average is a very widely followed moving average, and whenever it joins the hand with the prices, then the actions are quite big and strong in the opposite direction. So we have a falling 200 MA and we need to take care of it. Otherwise, we are having a very nice, upside momentum on Tata Steel. So we have this upside momentum and then consolidation, and now prices are again moving up. This 200 MA may create some sort of problem. Otherwise, things are looking quite good. Okay, so any other stock that we should take at the moment? Titan perhaps. Okay, so Titan is kind of not doing well. We have a strong bar here, but this did not work out. We have this kind of mini breakout failure here, and since then prices are falling. So no hope as of now. I would even suggest to stay away from stocks like these because we are on 50 MA and we don't know if prices will turn back to the upside again or if they just continue. However, nice, void to the downside, which means that I'm not gonna take the upside trades until it will clear all these resistance here with a strong momentum, with a very strong bar. However, any indication that prices are going down, we have 1 or 2 days of closing below 50 MA, and then prices break down. I'll definitely buy the puts in this market. So that's about in Titan. Okay, guys, I'm just waiting for your questions. Please do ask. I hope my voice is coming clearly. Through this video, I have just one more, small request to you all that, if you are watching my videos regularly, if you think that I'm able to give some meaningful content to you, and if you are learning something, if you are able to take the trades based on the analysis that we are sharing here, so please give a little thumbs up. Please like the video. That would be, give me a lot of encouragement to come up with more ideas, and that's a encouragement that gives kind of fuel to the creators that yes, people are watching and liking the content they are producing. So we have analyzed 3-4 stocks so far. If you have any questions, please do ask. I have opened this session, this Q&A session for you. So do not hesitate. Any questions in your, any stocks in your portfolio, and if you need some clarity on it, please go ahead and post it in the comment box. I'm just waiting for your questions. So far we have analyzed a couple of them, but I want you to just come up with your questions. If you have any stock in mind, please let me know. So what we do is, by the time you guys come up with any question, let me just see what is happening on the broader market side. And okay, what I'll do is I'll just quickly check if there is any momentum in the auto sector. Okay, so nice selling on Ashok Leyland on volume. Just Bajaj Auto, nothing much here. Then we have Balkrishna. So it's a nice sell setup here. Prices are below all the three moving averages, and 20 is below the falling 50 MA. Very nice, sell setup here. And after this, we have this consolidation day. If prices breaks down tomorrow morning, definitely a put buy here from my side. Nothing here. Okay, so Eicher Motors, huge selling on volume. Probably it should take couple of days of rest, a consolidation, then probably will take the short call here. I mean, either we can buy put or we can short the call spreads. And by the way, if you have any queries related to the credit spread, go ahead and ask it. Okay, nothing much here. No setup. Maruti also has no setup so far. Okay, so this is TVS Motor, and what I can see is after this breakout to the upside, we have just 1 day of prices movement to the upside, and then we have consolidation. This is a failure bar, absolutely failure bar, and prices are consolidating here. But unless it will break down below, this bottoming tail and below this rising 50 MA, and then take a rest for a couple of days and then again break down, don't buy the put here because the stock was in the uptrend. That's is the advice from my side. Tata Motors we have just seen, no setup so far. Okay, I think there are no questions which are coming. Perhaps I've been doing it for the first time, and even my viewers are not very much aware of it. So I'll probably stop it here. If you have any questions, even if you see it post the live session, just go ahead and ask it. I would be happy to help you out. And do suggest me that if I should keep it on Saturday or Sunday, which day would you prefer to have the Q&A sessions? Because I know that once in a week, if we get some bit of an idea about what stocks to keep in the watch list and how to trade them when the market will open next day, that is that gives us a lot of confidence, and I really think that it's a kind of help, because when I started out, I was really kind of looking for such helps that if I can get a clear cut indication or a clear cut analysis on how a stock will perform in the next trading sessions. So my point here is that I should encourage you to analyze, to start with your own analysis, and then you can come up and just cross check your analysis and review my analysis and see if there is any similarity or if there is anything you can make out, and that will just boost your confidence level. So that's all from my side. I'll gonna wrap the session up here. Any questions, just post it. I'll answer it probably, or probably create a video next time. And again, a small request, please like the video. If you have seen it this far, please like it. If you watch any of other videos, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, because when you like a video, it gives a lot of encouragement and a kind of sense that I have a community, I have people supporting me, and that's all, because trading is a very kind of, alone game. You are all, on your own doing everything. So when you get some support from the people, it really, it's really works big time. So that's all. We are just wrapping up the session, and let's catch you up in the next one. Take care. Good night.